Yeah, Plasto 2025 has been one of our attractions for this year, and we were very keen to attend this exhibition. And because this is situated in Pune, which is an auto hub and also a white goods hub, so the number of processors and OEMs wise, this is a destination, and definitely we wanted to participate with machine demonstration in this exhibition. And as expected, the experience in Plasto in last 2 days has been quite exciting, and lot of footfalls we had, lot of serious visitors, existing customers, and also from other industries. So we got a very good response from the local processors from Pune, Aurangabad, Nasik, Nagar, and Jalgaon, and also Solapur, Kolhapur. So it's a good experience, and really maybe to meet those so many customers, it would have taken more than a year. So this in 2 days we could meet these customers in a very short time. I'm really thankful. Yeah, in Plasto, we are showcasing one is PVC machine, CPVC with electric screw drive. So basically power savings being one of the major factors today's industry, and for increasing the efficiency of the operations, and also carbon footprint reduction. So these are the 2 points we are addressing by installing a machine CPVC, which is also a challenging application with electric screw drive to take care of lower carbon footprint as well as power savings. So in one way we are addressing 3 challenges in this exhibition, and we are successfully doing it. Machine is running constantly without any rejections, and there is a good response from our visitors, customers also. See, sustainability and circular economy we are addressing through new technologies like sandwich molding. So we have already started, and we have already supplied machines where process consumable waste, I think, that material is inserted between virgin layers, and already we have supplied to some customers for that, and we are ready with that technology. And other than that, we also have all electric machines manufactured from India. So to take care of these requirements, these are the 2 technologies at this stage, but as we go along, we can add on the technologies. We are working on various other fronts too. In our post, we have observed nearly last 2 days, almost around 150 visitors per day we have observed, and received lot of inquiries. As I told you, Plasto is in Pune. So Pune is hub for automotive as well as white goods, and all the big OEMs as well as their processors are situated here. And Maharashtra as such is a very significant industry presence. So definitely we want to be here, and that will always be our one of our agenda to be participate in any exhibition being organized in Pune. Yes, definitely yes. And whenever there has been any exhibition in last 10 years in Pune, we have participated in everything, because we want to make our presence felt with whatever technologies and whatever latest trends are there. We always try to participate and demonstrate to our customers. Thank you.